Hey guys, it's Josh from Yugioh Trio, and today we've got a tin opening for you guys. We've already opened Illuminite, so we thought we'd open the Galaxy Size Photon Dragon tin for you lot. Also, soon enough we'll be opening the Wind Up Zen Master and the Leviathan Dragon tin, so keep an eye out for that. We've already opened the tin because we tried videoing this once, but it kind of failed, so we've already got all the stuff ready. I'll go through the promos. Obviously the Solemn Warning, which is the main promo probably. Malefic Stardust, Guardian Ethos, Fossil Diner, and Photon Dragon himself. Okay, so we'll start with Gen Force, hoping to pull Olivia or Steel Sun Roach. Okay, so an Air Rocker. Nothing in that pack really. We'll open Storm of Ragnarok next. Save those tour guides till last. Hopefully Max C out of this pack. Or some samurai stuff, because Connor's making a samurai deck. Just a Stardust Phantom with a misprint, because the S and the T haven't been printed on. We get it. Okay, next time right now, Photon. Elemental Hero Ice Edge. And Legendary 6 Samurai card there, Connor. Now the Extreme Victory, come on. Need to get something good to make up for the box, tin. Oh, Tengu, nice one. Get in. Mental Seeker. And yeah. Okay, nice, Tengu. Hopefully now, well, don't really mind what we pull now. Obviously a tall guy would be nice. Or even another Tengu. Nope, just a Brain Hazard. And Wolf. So yeah guys, not a bad tin. We got the Tengu and an Ice Edge, which two decent cards out of the sets. If you want anything, message us and we can maybe do a trade or something like that. I don't imagine there is, but you know. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next video.